Good morning, good people. Welcome to Living Life with Liavule. Yet another beautiful Sunday. Okay, today the sun is a bit much, but it's beautiful either way. We are up, we are doing things. Did we go to church? I wonder. Coronavirus be scaring everybody. Anyway, my Sundays for me are for staying indoors. I don't do nothing. I went for a run when nobody was outside, so no coronavirus. Anyway, so today we're going to cook crunchy chicken burgers. Yes, Melvin Yimbo suggested this to me and I thought, why not? It's simple, it's easy to make, it's delicious. So it's so nice, you guys, I'm telling you. I've done another video, a short one just at the beginning of this to show you how to debone the thigh. It's my first time. My first deboned chicken. I think the thigh is the most flavorful of all chicken parts, if you ask me. I'm telling you. Very simple ingredients. There's even maziwa mala, which is buttermilk up here in the leafy suburbs. Buttermilk. Mtu asikudanganye. It is maziwa mala. You can get it in the shop downstairs outside your gate from the Mama Mboga. They sell that maziwa mala. So otherwise, if you have fresh milk, add in some white vinegar or some lemon. Swish, swish, swish buttermilk to soak in your chicken. Alrighty, welcome, enjoy, follow me. Living Life with Liavule. So here are our ingredients for our crunchy chicken burger today. We have our nice looking chicken thighs, which we've just deboned, which will go inside the burger. Yes, I know they look very small, but they will do just fine. Here are the drumsticks that I took off from the chicken leg. So they come together, usually I buy them together, so that's why they're here. I'm gonna fry them as well. We have the flour there that will spice up with all these spices, these nice looking spices, garam masala, cumin, Spanish paprika. We've got tahini over here. Tahini is really good for spicing up anything that you deep fry, chicken, fish. I even put it in my potato wedges. It adds just a bit of flavor that is a bit tangy. We've got salt there, just regular table salt for seasoning. We've got our buttermilk, which is mala. Yes, I told you it's simple. Just mala, regular mala. Then we've got Royco. It also just enhances the flavor when you fry something. Makes it a bit more crunchy. Then we have our buns over here, nice and fresh from Quick Mart. Yes, I bought them at Quick Mart. They're so nice. We've got bacon that I'll use just for a bit of smoky flavor. Lettuce. We've got coleslaw there that was left over from Friday, so I'm gonna use that. Yeah, so these are our ingredients. Our cooking oil, let's not forget that one. Very major player in this game, right? Those are our ingredients for today. I begin to You know. Yummy, yummy. Yumminess. So guys, there you have it. My crunchy chicken, but I already bit into it. I was so hungry. So sexy. All those calves and all those edges. Yummy. So easy to make, as you've seen. Please follow me, subscribe, like the video, give me suggestions on anything you want to cook. Crunchy chicken burger, most crunchiest thing I've ever. And the bread, this bread makes it better. If you want some, it's available at Quick Mart in the fresh food section. Fresh. You guys, thank you for following me. Please subscribe, like my video. I am here for you. Anything you want, especially regarding food, I will do it for you. All right, see you soon. Have a blessed Sunday.